Hey everyone. So in today's assignment, you are multiplying fractions again, but this time you have one more step because you're multiplying mixed numbers. So a mixed number would be where you have a whole number combined with a fraction. So you have to change them to improper fractions and then multiply the same way that you multiplied fractions um, previously this week. So I'll do a few examples and then you can go ahead and get started on your assignment. So here's one example. If I had let's say 4.5, and I wanted to multiply that by, let's just say 3. Okay, so I'm multiplying a mixed number by just a regular whole number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by changing this one into an improper fraction. So to do that, I would do 2 times 4, which gives me 8. Add 1 is 9. So I'll start with 9 over 2 on this side, and I'm going to multiply that by 3. Now, if you remember multiplying a fraction by a whole number, all you have to do is put a 1 underneath that whole number and then multiply straight across. 9 times 3 would be 27. 2 times 1 would be 2. Now, for today's assignment, most of the answers are actually written in, they're written properly, so a lot of them are written as mixed numbers. So we're going to go ahead and change this back into a proper fraction, which would be like a mixed number. So we have 27 over 2. So how many 2's go into 27 without going over? 12, 13 would be 26. So it's going to be 13, and then I'm at 26. One left is 1 over 2. So my final answer would be 13 and 1 over 2. Now, if you're doing this in Khan Academy and you were doing multiple choice, it'll actually have 13 and 1 over 2 as an answer. But if you have to fill in the answer yourself, like if they give you a box and you have to write it, you would write 13 space, don't forget about your space, and then you put 1/2, just like that. Okay? So that's an example of a question that you might get. Let me look through. Let's just say you have two mixed numbers. So if I had 1 and 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 and 2 over 3, just say. So you're going to change this one first. So 4 times 1 is 4, add 3 is 7. So we'll go 7 over 4 on this side. And then here we have 3 times 2, which is 6, add 2 is 8. So 8 over 3 on this side, and then we just multiply across. So 7 times 8 is 56. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so now we have 56 over 12. We have to change that to a mixed number. So how many 12s go into 56 without going over? So we have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. All right, so 60 is too high. So we're going to go ahead and say 48. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, and that gives me 48. So how many left to 56? 48. So say 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 8. So 4 and 8 over 12. Now we're still not finished because 8 over 12 is not in its lowest form. So we're going to go ahead and reduce 8 over 12. So is there a number that you can divide the 8 by and the 12 by? If you said 4, you are correct. So I'm going to keep my big 4 here. I'm going to divide this 8 by 4, so that's going to be a 2. I'm going to divide that 12 by 4, that's going to give me a 3. So my final answer would be 4 and 2 over 3. So again, if it was multiple choice, you would choose 4 and 2 over 3. If you had to put the answer in yourself, you'd make sure to put a 4 space 2/3. All right, and I believe that's it for the kinds of questions you might get. Let me just double check before I let you go. That is it. Those are the only kind of questions that you'll get for today. So good luck. If you have any questions, send me an email and I'll be glad to set up a meeting with you to help. Have a great day. Bye.